Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Hold on to the rope, O servants of Allah. The rope of Allah is stretched from the heavens to the earth, woven with the light of Tawheed, braided with the verses of Qur'an, and anchored in the heart of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whoever grasps it can never be lost, and whoever lets go will be cast into the wind of bewilderment. Hold fast, not with your hands alone, but with your hearts, with your covenant, with your sincerity in the unseen. For Allah said, and hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together, and do not be divided. Al-Quran 3:103. Do you not see? The rope is the Qur'an, recited on your tongue, forgotten in your actions. The rope is the Prophet, praised in your poems, but absent from your emulation. The rope is justice, spoken in your courts, yet trampled beneath your politics. O children of Allah, I see a time when hands slip and eyes turn from the rope to the gold at their feet. You grasp not the divine, but the dunya, and the rope frays from neglect. Beware, for the rope is not fabric, it is fire to the heedless and light to the obedient. It pulls you not towards ease, but towards heights, and heights are climbed with struggle and patience, with blood and perseverance. A people divided are prey to the wolves. The enemy does not fear your numbers, but your unity, your sincerity, your knowledge of who holds the rope and where it leads.